Thank you. I feel like I eat McDonald's at least one time in my vlogs now, but I have no choice, I swear. I'm on my way to go watch Ames. And yeah, I haven't eaten anything this morning, so I just need a little bit of fuel. I got this like muffin with egg and cheese. You know how people say, oh, some people are so bad at driving? I agree. There are just people that just cannot drive. But I think most of the time, it's more like they just drive very differently. And so it just doesn't work. Like you know those cases where like you have to kind of be like, kind of let them go first, or like they let you go first. Like it's just like so different. Like the way that people think. And those kind of situations are so different, so that's why the people think that like, oh, he's such a bad driver, or she's such a bad driver. But don't get me wrong, there are people who just cannot drive. Oh man, we did a half wash. They're half clean, half pretty. Why? Why do you always do that? How sometimes I could be the pickiest person when it comes to certain things, but when I went into the DSW to pick up some boots for wedding tomorrow, I'm not part of the wedding, I'm just a guest, but I needed new boots anyways. It's crazy how unpicky I was. I tried on the first shoe that I knew I would like, and I did, so I bought it right away. Price range was great, it felt great, it looked great. So I got a half size bigger because I wanted, since it is cooler weather now, I wanted to wear it with like socks and all that. Hi everyone. So I am ready. I actually have, I said I have a wedding to attend tomorrow. Tong is actually standing tomorrow, so there's a rehearsal tonight, which I am also invited for the dinner. And I think I'll go a little early and watch them rehearse. Got a new scrunchie. Cause I've been so tired of like tying my hair so tight. It's pulling my hair out. I know I have a lot of hair, so I have a lot to lose, but I don't want to lose any more hair. So cute. Yummy. Yummy. Hi everyone. I'm in like the most comfortable form, but I just made a quick kimchi jjigae. That's why I didn't film the process, because I just made it so quick. So long story short, I threw everything in here at once and boiled it for a while. And I had to start like putting things together for today's wedding. I'm gonna watch some Christmas movie.
Watch my life riding a tractor through the woods. It's a fresh mark from a glove.
Actually, there's a show. So I used the VPN to use the Korean Netflix, and there's just a show called like a high schooler parenting, like Teen Moms, but like Korean version. It's actually really fun to watch. I have red velvet and lemon pistachio from Dance Donut.
엄마! 책임? 그런 책임감은 사고치기. 아휴, 내가 못 살아. 어쩌자고 또 임신.
저 다음 또 임신 나와버렸어.
오빠도 나봐요. 유진 씨가.
저희가 애기가 너무 이뻐가지고 지금 녹슬로 가.
저는 18살 고딩 엄마 박유진이고요. 울산에서 왔어요.
Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh, as you guys can see, I had a really rough night last night. We went to the wedding, and I didn't vlog. I mean, I have a few clips, but it was just like I wanted to be really in the moment, so I didn't want to vlog. I just really didn't even think about it. I was just so busy yelling. I do love weddings, but being at a wedding that's that you're close to, it's really different experience, I think. But anyways, I spent all morning cleaning, mopping, vacuuming. You know, the night after you go out, you just have so much to clean because like my clothes and everything's everywhere, so I was cleaning that. Right now I'm actually going to make the beef bourguignon. It's going to take me like 5-6 hours, so I'm gonna start right now. It is still pretty early, but I wanted to get started on that. Oh yeah, I don't know if this is like dark circles and like some of my mascara. I don't know what it is. I did wash my face, but yeah, I will make beef bourguignon. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to just edit my vlogs. Yeah, vlogging, editing takes a long time. just on my bed, like trying my hardest to edit my vlog. I do want to upload it tomorrow, but man, it's just so hard. I did take a nap earlier. That helps. And like our apartment smells like beef bourguignon, so it was a really great nap, and I woke up to a great smell, which I'm going to eat very, very soon. I'm gonna make some like pasta and then eat it together. Yeah, now that I look closely, I think I couldn't get all my mascara off. I did put a lot yesterday, so yeah, I'm just in my bed. I tried to edit on the desk, but oh man, that was difficult. So I'm just on my bed. Today's just one of those days, after I just can't hang anymore, guys. I remember my friend got married last year, and I stood actually. After that wedding, I think I like stayed in bed for like 2 to 3 days. I had to miss work, and I just couldn't recover right away. It was exhausting. So now that I think about it, when I got married on my wedding day, even that year or two difference made a huge difference. I shouldn't even be tired. I didn't do anything, but I am. I kind of like danced my heart out a little bit. But oh my god, it's so annoying. I don't know if you guys could agree, if you guys know anybody like this, but Tong is like the worst person to like it's really hard to leave any kind of like parties, events. Like I would tell him, hey, it's like getting late, we should leave. So let's say that like at 10:30 p.m. I told him we'll leave at like 11:30. He's just the type that has to say bye to every single person. But it's not even just like, oh hey, bye, I'll see you next time. It's not even that. It's just like, hey, I'm gonna go now, and then they start talking again. And then he does it to like 20 other people. I know that, but yesterday was a wedding, and like it was one of his like close little buddy, little 동생. So I just wanted to be more like understanding, even though I was like so tired. I just get so tired. I'm sorry. So yesterday that I had to like chase him down. I'm like, where is this kid? But it was still really, really great night and very tiring. And I just wish that somebody could just feed me in bed. You feel me? I know you guys do. I love my shapings, I really do. But there are days where I just like, I want to grow it out. Yeah, this is me right now. I'm actually getting hungry.
그래서
예, 그건 아니죠. 예.
제가 만들어드릴게. 그리고 준비한 장비가 있죠. 롤도 장난 울지 마. 먹고 나갈 때 청가 다음에 또 와. 그때 울어.
안 울었던게?
괜찮아. 자, 형 선생님이랑 선생님이 아침에 소고기탕 사줬어. 방송반 그 형. 네 하고 그냥 방송을 먹었던 거야. 근데 먹다 보니까 괜찮네. 그래갖고 선생님이 한마디 하는 거야. 민상아, 널 따끔하게 부딪혔던 거